c'è ti sposta, Cheers. Wait, I gotta clink the camera. I'm gonna get a newspaper.
Very good morning everyone, welcome on board. Today we are expecting a fully booked flight, therefore we kindly ask you to store your smaller belongings, likewise handbags or duty-free bags, under the seat in front of you. Then keep the aisle clear as soon as possible so that everyone can enter this airplane. If stowing your hand luggages in the overhead bin, we ask you to put this upright in the bins as seen on the pictures. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
From the flight deck, your captain speaker. My name is Christian Gallagher. With me in the cockpit today, First Officer Manuel Wittmer. Together with the cabin crew, we welcome on board this A321, brand new A321neo bound for Zurich. We have all passengers on board. Loading is also finished. We have a calculated departure time here in Stockholm that begins in roughly 10 to 15 minutes. So we will leave the stand here in the next couple of minutes. We have a rather short flight time of only 2 hours to Zurich due to some good wind conditions aloft. That means we expect an even early arrival into Zurich this morning. Hope you feel comfortable on board with us. Wish you a very pleasant flight. Liebe Fluggäste, einen schönen guten Morgen, Ihr Kapitän. Mein Name ist Christian Gallagher. Mit mir heute im Cockpit Erster Offizier Manuel Wittmer. Zusammen mit der Kabinenbesatzung heißen wir Sie herzlich willkommen auf diesem A321neo in Richtung Zürich. Alle Passagiere sind hier, die Beladung ist abgeschlossen. Wir haben eine zugewiesene Startzeit hier in Stockholm, welche in Kürze beginnt. Somit werden wir nachher die Türen schließen und unsere Reise beginnen. Wir haben sehr gute Windverhältnisse heute mit der
emergency exits. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safe.
Cabin crew, prepare for departure.
For safety reasons, you are required to have your seatbelts fastened whenever you're seated and whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please open the overhead bins always carefully as objects may fall out. Aus Sicherheitsgründen sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, wann immer Sie sich in einem Sitzplatz befinden.
Cabin crew, released.
The service will start in a few minutes. In the meantime, we invite you to have a look at the Swiss A321neo menu card in your seat pocket. Please note that we can only accept card or contactless payments on board. Furthermore, you have the option of paying for your purchases with miles and reward miles. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy our service.
sicher, dass Ihr Handgepäck und Ihre elektronischen Geräte für die Landung wieder sicher und korrekt verstaut sind. Öffnen Sie dann die Sonnenblende, stellen Sie die Sitzlehne nach vorne und klappen Sie den Tisch zu. Die Safety Instructions Card befindet sich in Ihrer Sitztasche. Bitte lesen Sie diese Anweisungen vor der Landung nochmals aufmerksam durch. Im unwahrscheinlichen Falle einer Evakuierung müssen Sie Handgepäck zurücklassen. Vielen Dank. Your attention please. We ask you now to return to your seat and to fasten your seatbelt. Please make sure that your electronic devices, as well as your hand luggage, are securely and safely stowed for the landing. Then open the window blinds, put your seat back in the fully upright and fold away your table. The safety instructions card is in your seat pocket. Please read these instructions carefully prior to landing. In the unlikely event of evacuation, you must leave any hand luggage behind. Your attention again. Passengers with a connecting flight can now find detailed information on the video screen. If your flight is listed on the short connection, you are requested to proceed immediately and directly to the departure gate. Welcome to Switzerland. Please remain seated with the seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Then open the overhead bins carefully as objects may fall out. Here at Zurich Airport, we say goodbye to you now and hope you have enjoyed this early flight with us. Thank you so much for flying Swiss, and we look forward to welcome you aboard again soon. We all wish you now a pleasant stay here in Zurich. Have a good start.
Cabin crew, disarm the slides.